Now let us talk about pallet life storage. Pallet life storage provides dense storage while maintaining first in, first out, FIFO stock rotation. That means whatever pallet was stored first will actually move first. Normally, if you are stacking, it's last in, first out rule. It's like washing dishes. So dishes are like in a stack. So the last one, which is actually at the top, will be washed first. But pallet life storage actually helps in having FIFO. That is, what was first in would be going first as well. Under this system, the first pallet is placed on an inclined roller conveyor. The first pallet would be on an inclined roller conveyor. Conveyor belt would be there. Each inclined conveyor should contain the same SKU. This is the limitation, that you need to have the same SKUs for pallet life storage. And therefore, this type of racking is suited to fast moving products where there are numerous pallets per SKU depending upon the length of the conveyor. It also depends upon the length of the conveyor. So when we have same type of SKUs, the pallet would be, each pallet would be on the inclined conveyor. So it would be stored in inclination. So you can easily move the first pallet out. But you cannot change the dimensions of the stock keeping unit. So the same type of stock keeping unit should be there. तो एक जैसे स्टॉक कीपिंग यूनिट्स होंगे तो इनक्लाइंट वो उस कन्वेयर पर रहेंगे और उस कन्वेयर को मूव करवाने से द फर्स्ट पैलेट विल कम आउट एंड देन द अदर पैलेट्स विल शिफ्ट. So it's always first in, first out, because conveyor would be moving the pallet which is be at the last. But at the same time, the SKU should be the same. You cannot have different dimensions of stock keeping units on those pallets. But of course, for a fast moving products from the warehouse, this pallet life storage is very appropriate. Thank you.